Kumbh in Prayagraj is not just a gathering. It's a spiritual phenomenon that transcends time and space. Held once every 12 years, it is the largest religious gathering on earth, drawing millions of devotees from every corner of India, and even the world. But what makes this sacred event so powerful? Nestled at the confluence of three holy rivers, the Ganges, the Yamuna, and the mythical Sarasvati, Prayagraj holds immense religious significance. This divine confluence is known as the Triveni Sangam, a place where, according to Hindu belief, the rivers purify the soul. The Maha Kumbh is centered around the sacred dip in these waters, a purification of not just the body, but the soul itself. Devotees arrive in droves, seeking solace, redemption, and spiritual awakening. The central ritual of the Maha Kumbh is the holy bath, the Snan. It is believed that by immersing oneself in the sacred waters during auspicious times, one is liberated from sin, and their life is forever transformed. But the Maha Kumbh is not merely a physical journey. It's a spiritual one. The vast congregation is a sea of faith, with pilgrims, sages, saints, and seekers coming together in harmony.